Hey, it's Joe from Rebel Video. Welcome to the page. Let me just show you some quick social proof that these ads are working. This is the actual client account that I was talking about when you first saw my page or my ad. This is Classic Metal Roofs inside their actual account. 4.8 million views of these ads right down here. Check it out. So if I click this one through, you'll see that that ad's been viewed 159,000 times. This one, 184,000, 249,000, 246,000. Now imagine how that will work when you can also have an ad running in your local town, wherever your business is done, for people searching just like they were searching for this client. Myself as well, I run these ads for Rebel Video, so I walk the walk. I don't just talk about things that are a new trend. And that's why you're going to reach out. You're going to book a time with me, and I'll show you how this will work with your business. Just go ahead and book a time with me now. Thank you.